that girl looks really rich. Let me see what I can get out of her. I think I'll put down this glitter dumpling. Trading my glitter dumpling.
Me. I could use a third one. You know what, guys? I'm going to try and scam her. Okay, let's do this super big stress ball.
Oh, that looks really cool and it's really big. Should I accept? But it's not that good. I'm gonna need you to add.
Ugh, guys, it didn't work. I guess I'll try and scam her with this thing. It's not even a real dumpling. Okay, fine. I guess I'll add the super rare gold glitter dumpling.
That's rarer than the glitter dumpling because it's gold. Accept.
This is way too rare for that. Add.
Okay, I guess I'll add this Nito. It's really good.
Guys, I don't have that. That's really good. I'm gonna need you to add still.
I guess I'll add this color changing Nito. This is really good and it's color changing.
Guys, that's an actual Nito. How about that super rare butter stick over there?
I don't know, it's really good.
But this is really rare.
I guess I'll put it down.
Yes. Ooh.
Hey, this is fake.